People often believe in their abilities when they encounter the law, with some thinking they can outsmart law enforcement. But what happens when entitled individuals, especially women, learn this lesson the hard way?
I think you've broken my hand.
My children are home alone!
I'm giving you an order.
In the car.
Bag.
You know that. You know that.
Give me another unit on the plane, please.
If you really...
There are two instances, beginning with a Sarasota woman who refused to wear a mask on the plane. When asked to leave the airplane after disturbing and insulting several passengers on board, she faced the consequences of her actions.
We're going to take you off the aircraft.
Where'd you at?
Yep, you're going to have to get off the aircraft,
Yeah,
okay?
and you're at the...
Yep.
And I compliment you in that way.
She's a representative of the aircraft. They don't want you flying on their plane today, okay? So you're going to have to get off the aircraft.
They made us wait and wait and wait.
Yeah, that's the way it is, but right now I'm going to
And
need you...
that's fine, and I will respect that.
Okay, so I'm going to need you to grab your bag and just
And I
step
did
off
not
the
do
aircraft.
anything, actually. Disrespect.
We'll talk about it outside.
Disruptive, besides speak my mind.
Okay.
And you know what? I live in America, and that's what fucking America's about.
Calm down.
No, you know
Listen
that.
to me. Grab your bag.
You know that. You know that.
Give me another unit on the plane, please.
If you are ever going to put your hands on me.
Grab your bag.
No, I will grab my bag. But you don't want to sit here and say what I have to say to you.
Listen, no one's going to put their hands on you unless you
Alright,
have to.
you
Grab
won't.
your bag and just step off
you
the
won't.
Okay, but I need you to get up.
No.
Okay?
You need me to get up? You may need me to get up, but you know what I feel my need to do as a person? Just like Jesus motherfucking Christ.
You need to calm down.
No, I'm gonna do what I need to do. I'm gonna say what I need to do, and if you're gonna do whatever you feel you need to do to me, right? So I'm gonna say what I have meant to say. No, to everybody.
Stand up, man.
Everybody is doing this.
You're gonna get arrested if you do not stop.
I'm already gonna get arrested.
You're gonna get arrested if you don't stand up and get off the aircraft.
Probably already gonna get.
Do you want to get arrested?
I really,
then stand up and get off the aircraft. That's all you have to do.
It's not about that, man.
Okay.
You can.
I'm gonna ask you one more time, and then I'm gonna have to put my hands on you. Okay?
For what reason?
Because you're not listening.
Let me ask you that. You're gonna put no. And that's fine. That's fine. Why do you have a right to put your hands on me, though?
Okay, let's go, Ray. Come on.
No, why do you have a right to put your hands on me?
Ma'am.
What am I doing that makes you feel like you have a right to put your hands on me? Seriously though, can you tell me that?
Tell me deep plan.
Can you just help me to understand as a human that is alive, why do you seriously though?
Yep. Get him off.
Seriously, why? Can you just tell me that? Like, I'm actually asking you as a person.
At this point, here's what's happening. They're going to deplane the aircraft. I'm going to take you off the plane.
That was already happening.
And you're going to jail, just so you know.
That was already happening.
It won't happen if you get up and walk out with me right now.
Yeah.
But if you're not going to...
Trust
that. Right now, they're going to deplane. As soon as they deplane, you're going to jail, okay? If you do not get up. That's how it's going to work.
Do you feel that's a threatening system?
That's the way it is, man.
That's not cool. I want to trust you. You want to trust me? That's not healing. We're not healing.
Okay, get off the plane.
Come on.
Get off the plane.
Can I trust you to not? I feel like you're still gonna...
Okay. Let's go. Off the plane. Grab your stuff. Grab your stuff. Get off the aircraft.
Can I trust you?
Listen, have I touched you yet? I'm trying to get you off the aircraft. That's all we're trying to
do a control situation. If I get off the plane, you said you wouldn't arrest me. So you as a cop should have to honor that.
We're trying
right?
to arrest
No,
you.
you should though. You should have to honor that. That's my right.
Go talk to the captain. Tell him we need to remove her.
It really is. So that's my right. It's like you need to. No, we're getting to the point where you're not you're not respecting my human rights as a constitution. That's not cool. I didn't do anything that did anything to. No, man. That's not okay, dude. That's not okay. You know it.
29 Central, 10:15.
Why did you
In the end, despite realizing that she couldn't escape the sticky situation with the police, whom she had been rude to, she began to act like a child, attempting to play the victim by crying and being difficult as she was transported to the police car. However, next suspect put up a good fight and ended up being dragged to the police car. Meet Sean Malarkey, who was allegedly caught hitting her ex-husband with a car.
Hey, step out of the car right now. Get out of the car. Ma'am. Ma'am, step out.
Excuse me.
Step out.
No, excuse me.
Step up.
Get your hands off of me.
Step out of the car right
No,
now.
ex-
Yes.
No.
Step out of the car.
Get your hands off
Get
of
out of the car.
No.
You're under arrest.
me. No, I am not.
Yes, you are.
No, I am not.
Yes, you are.
Get your hands
Open this
off.
garage door.
Excuse me.
Let go.
No, you get your hands off of me. No.
Get out of the car now.
No.
I will tase you if you don't get out of the car.
You better take your hands off of me right now. Get your hands
Let go.
off of
Stop. I told you you're under arrest. Get out of the car.
me. Why?
Because you have a warrant. And you're wanted for
No.
domestic battery. Yes, you are.
Excuse me. I just sent a message and I am... Excuse me. Excuse me.
Get out of the car right now.
No.
I told you I can handle this peacefully, but you have to get out of the car.
No, you never
Yeah.
said that. I sent you a message. My attorney...
Affirmative. I have one cuff on.
Miss Malarkey refused to exit her car and closed the garage door while officers were inside. Despite repeated warnings, she remained uncooperative, prompting the officers to caution that she would be subjected to a tasing if she did not comply. Eventually, the officers, having exhausted their patience, resorted to forcibly removing Miss Malarkey from the vehicle and subduing her on the ground. All of this taking place while her children watched from inside the car.
Andy yanked me.
I yanked you because I told you you're under arrest and you refused to exit your vehicle. Yes.
Are you gonna step up and be cooperative?
No, my attorney is...
Are you gonna stand up and be cooperative?
Are you going to understand that my attorney has filed a motion to quash this?
All right,
I
you just stand your knee.
My attorney has filed a motion to quash this.
You hit us, you do anything stupid towards us, and we're adding
Excuse
charges
me?
on. If you hit us
Excuse me?
or anything, let's go.
You've already hit me.
I didn't hit you. I asked you out of the car. I told you you're under arrest. Now you got a whole show for your neighbors here.
You are a dick. My children don't have anybody at home right now. You're going to put my kids alone in danger? I need to call my attorney. I'm not getting in my car until I call my attorney. I'm calling my attorney.
It's not gonna happen.
No, I'm calling my attorney.
When the time comes, you're gonna call your
Right f***ing now. I'm calling
right now you're under arrest.
No, I'm calling my attorney.
Sit in the car.
My children are home alone.
giving you an order.
Sit in the car.
We will
My
get your
children
father here.
are home alone. My children are home alone.
We will
And I'm
take care of your children.
No, you're not taking care of shit.
I'm gonna get
The
help.
way that you take care of somebody is throwing them down on the ground.
Nobody
You
threw
are
your
a
children on the ground.
You are a shitty f***ing human being.
That's messed up.
You throw somebody down in front of their children? What the f*** is wrong with you?
Sit down. I told you.
You piece of shit. You know what? You are the piece of dirt that I wouldn't piss on if you were on fire.
I smell
You
an
are
odor of alcohol on your breath.
No, that's my piss.
That's your piss?
I'm pissing on you.
Okay.
Guess what?
What?
You're the worst part of the society. You think...
I don't think so.
Oh.
Get out of the car. Stop. Do you have your phone on you?
Don't touch me.
Do you have your phone on you?
Get your f***ing hands off me.
Where's your phone?
Do not...
Where's your phone at?
Get
First off.
your... Do not touch me.
Okay.
Did I ever say...
Turn around.
You fucker do not touch me. Get his fucking hands off me. Get your fucking hands off me.
Cool out. Hey, if you keep resisting,
Get your
I'm going to charge you with that. If
You know what? I'm gonna charge you with putting your fucking dirty ass hands on me.
Stop moving. Let him take off your watch.
You. You don't get to touch me. You are a disgusting piece of shit.
Miss Malarkey was finally placed inside the police car and taken to the DuPage County Jail. She was subsequently charged with multiple offenses, including felony aggravated DUI, aggravated assault on an officer, resisting an officer, and possessing alcohol while driving. If you like this video, watch this one, and don't forget to like and subscribe.